TNCC and his rice shaker with the Reha as well. Dreadlock holiday. 16 minutes after... Oh, look up, bro. It's Friday. And we're going to introduce back in our new quiz that we started yesterday. We had fun and it's all up to you, my bro.
I know, but before we do you got my program full on over there?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, boys, so this is a game we brought to the table yesterday, Stefano. I'm just going to ask Rino a quick fire question. He has 10 seconds to answer every question. And today, there are 10 partai.
Sweet, bro.
And our questions are all to do with 2024 so far and forth. Ka pai?
And forth.
Like going...
May the fourth be with you.
Hi. Okay. Here we go. Start that music, baby. Here we go. What is the official slogan of the 2024 Olympic Summer Games in Paris?
Good luck, go hard.
Game wide open, everyone. Question number 2. In 2024, which famous American space agency plans to send astronauts back to the moon as part of a program?
NASA.
Tika e hoa. Which European country is scheduled to host the 2024 Eurovision Song Contest? Oh, I like these ones.
That's recently too.
Alright. So where's it?
Sweden.
Tika e hoa. What is the significant event that happened in April 2024, visible across North America?
Oh, it's all those white things.
What is it called?
Oh, and you're going to say that.
5 seconds.
The luminous night or something.
The total solar eclipse. Moving on, Partai Namarima in 2024. Which country will celebrate its 75th Independence Day on August the 15th?
Which country?
Independence
Day, America.
No, it's India. Which major global sporting event will be held in Germany this year?
Winter Olympics.
No, it is the European Football Championship, everyone. Partai number 7. Who sets to direct the highly anticipated Avatar 3 scheduled for release in 2024?
James Cameron.
Ka pai hoa partai number 1. What is the significant technology milestone expected from the tech company Intel in 2024?
Intel.
You should know this, you're a tech person.
Faster computer, I don't know.
And the launch of their 18th generation of core processor, partai number 9. Which international event focusing on innovation will be held in Dubai in 2024? We saw it over the news. Paris Global's representing New Zealand.
Who?
Paris Global. The owner of Royal Family. 5 seconds.
Technology dancing.
Expo 2024. Partai number 10, last one. In 2024, what will be the new feature introduced in the social media app Twitter as recent announcement?
Shopping. Buy and sell.
The ability to edit tweets after posting.
Hell, that was a failure.
And that are your 9 partai for the day.
And I only got like 2 most probably.
You did well.
No,
you did pretty well. I think the pressure was because I was going too fast. You only had 10 seconds.
That's all good, but man, I don't know a lot happening in 24. I don't know a lot of that stuff. Wow.
You want me to take it back to 1840?
Yeah, he told me.
And that's your game.
And that's okay. Done dusted here on our EBFM 20 past 9.